G'day guys, it's JB with JB Adventures and welcome back or welcome to our YouTube channel. In this week's video, we're heading along the iconic Waterfall Way, checking out some amazing waterfalls, some awesome hiking tracks, and if you stick around till the end, we'll even show you a hidden waterhole that only the locals know about. So sit back, relax, and if you enjoy this video, make sure you get your Hulk on and smash that like button, turn on the notification bell, and consider subscribing. It helps us out a bunch. And without further ado, let's get into this week's video.
Alrighty guys, we're on our way to our very first waterfall.
Alrighty guys, we're here at Danger Falls. Absolutely awesome spot. It's got toilets, picnic area, a playground with a swing set, little merry-go-round, small little slippery slide. What more could you ask for? But we didn't come to Danger Falls to check out a playground. We came here to check out the waterfalls. This is Waterfall Way. Check it out. The view from the top at the car park is absolutely insane. And we've just started our walk to get to the bottom of the falls. Now there's a sign at the top that says it takes about 20 minutes, but having walked most of it now and we're almost there, it's about 10 minutes. But I think that's due to the fact that they've actually refurbished the track, and instead of it being a fairly bush track, as you can see behind me, it's quite a nice boardwalk. There are a couple of slippery sections and steep sections, but the view through here and the view at the end is definitely worth it.
If you're coming through Waterfall Way, you can't forget about the iconic Skywalk, located at the Doringo Rainforest Centre. The view is absolutely astonishing and you must see it firsthand.
Alrighty guys, we're back. We are in the walking track of the Glade picnic area at the moment. It's a 2.6k turnaround down to Crystal Falls. Awesome little waterfall, and the track's not bad either. Check it out. So as far as the difficulty of the track goes, I wouldn't say it's actually that bad going down. I'm not looking forward to going all the way back up that, but we'll see how we go. So having said that, there are a bunch of little rest stops along this track with bench seats on the side of the track. You can stop, take a breather, and I reckon we'll be doing that on the way back up. How cool is this?
Guys, we're going to take a bit of a detour on our way back to camp and head out to a place called Never Creek in the Promised Land. Now we're going to head out there, go for a bit of a swim, let the dogs go for a bit of a swim as well and cool off after that massive bushwalk.
Okay guys, so we're just taking a little bit of a detour before going back to camp to a place called the Promised Land and the Never Creek. It is only about a 15-minute drive, but in the time it took us to get here, it has started pouring down rain. So we're just going to chill here for a little bit and hopefully the rain will let up and then we can go have a swim and ironically cool down. Is that the plan? Alrighty guys, the time is here. Secret local water hole. Check this thing out. Kira, come on, pup. Alrighty guys, unfortunately that brings an end to this week's adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know we have. We're going to stick around here for a little bit longer, but until next time, we'll see you out there.